Our galaxy, the Milky Way, may seem like a serene sea of stars, but beneath its glittering beauty lies a cosmic predator. Over billions of years, the Milky Way has been feasting on its neighbors, pulling smaller galaxies into its gravitational grasp and tearing them apart. But why does this happen? And what does it mean for the future of our galactic home? Welcome to Knowledge Hub, where today we'll explore the fascinating tale of how the Milky Way is devouring its neighboring galaxies. The Milky Way resides in the local group, a collection of more than 50 galaxies bound together by gravity. This galactic neighborhood includes large players like Andromeda, and smaller dwarf galaxies like the Sagittarius Dwarf Galaxy and the Magellanic Clouds. In this vast ecosystem, gravity is king. Large galaxies like the Milky Way exert enormous gravitational forces, pulling in smaller galaxies over time. This process, known as galactic cannibalism, is common across the universe. Astronomers have uncovered compelling evidence of the Milky Way's predatory behavior: stellar streams. When the Milky Way engulfs a smaller galaxy, the stars from the victim are stretched into long, thin trails called stellar streams. These streams act as cosmic fossils, mapping the path of the consumed galaxy. The Sagittarius Dwarf Galaxy, for example, is currently being devoured, leaving behind arcs of stars wrapped around the Milky Way. The Magellanic Clouds, the Large and Small Magellanic Clouds, two dwarf galaxies orbiting the Milky Way, are slowly losing gas and stars to our galaxy's pull. This transfer of material fuels the Milky Way's star formation, acting as a cosmic feast for its growth. The Gaia Enceladus event. About 10 billion years ago, the Milky Way collided with a galaxy scientists call Gaia Enceladus. This ancient merger reshaped the Milky Way, adding billions of stars to its halo and contributing to its current size. The Milky Way's voracious appetite is driven by gravity and the laws of cosmic evolution, mass attraction. Larger galaxies have stronger gravitational fields, allowing them to capture smaller ones. Dynamic growth. Consuming other galaxies increases the Milky Way's mass, helping it maintain its dominant position in the local group. Star formation. By siphoning gas and stars from neighboring galaxies, the Milky Way sustains its ability to form new stars, ensuring its long-term vitality. When the Milky Way consumes a galaxy, it doesn't simply disappear, it's transformed. The stars from the devoured galaxy are assimilated into the Milky Way's halo, disk, or bulge. The interstellar material is absorbed, fueling new star formation within the Milky Way. The invisible dark matter halo of the smaller galaxy merges with the Milky Way's halo, strengthening its gravitational reach. In essence, the devoured galaxy becomes part of the Milky Way's structure, leaving behind faint traces of its existence. The Milky Way's appetite isn't slowing down, but in about 4.5 billion years it may face a predator of its own: Andromeda. Andromeda, the largest galaxy in the local group, is on a collision course with the Milky Way. When these two giants collide, they'll merge into a single massive galaxy, often dubbed Milkomeda. This event will mark the next chapter in the Milky Way's story, transforming it into a new cosmic entity. Galactic cannibalism is more than just a fascinating phenomenon. It's a key driver of cosmic evolution. It helps galaxies grow larger and more complex. The influx of gas and material fuels the birth of new stars, enriching the universe. These interactions reveal clues about the mysterious dark matter that surrounds galaxies. The Milky Way's history is written in the stars of the galaxies it has consumed. It's a reminder that even in the vastness of space, growth often comes at the cost of others. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Milky Way's cosmic appetite. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more galactic explorations from Knowledge Hub. Until next time, keep your eyes on the stars and your mind on the mysteries of the universe.